Hey, Sophie.
Hi, Karl. What are you doing?
Oh, I spilled a drink on my shirt. Well, I don't want to mess up your car. Oh, man, let's go, man. Let's go. The girls is waiting for us. You're no fun. You've been sipping non-alcoholic. I said, Honor, you know I'm still in training. Come on, alcohol's no good for the body. You know that. Yes.
Hello? Okay, Michael, I don't want to hear anything. Just stop bothering me, okay?
Hey, Sophie.
Hi, Karl. What are you doing?
Oh, I spilled a drink on my shirt. Well, I don't want to mess up your car.
Thank you. Uh-huh. Oh. Are you okay, Karl? How did you get this drunk?
It's fine, Sophie. You'll take care of me, right?
The stairs. You good?
Yeah.
Get some rest. I'm going. All right. Karl. Who's there? There's no one. I must have just imagined it. I just finished making breakfast. Do you want some?
Sure. Wow, smells great. I want to thank you, Sophie. You were so kind to me.
You don't have to say that. Your mom and I are best friends. It's the least I could do.
Well, what I'm trying to say is, if there's anything you ever need, don't hesitate to ask.
Sure. Keep that in mind.
Anything.
What did he mean by that? Was he the one at the door last night? Did he hear everything?
Sophie.
Am I still dreaming?
If that helps you accept me, then yes. Consider this a dream.
Karl, you should go. Act like nothing happened tonight. You need to leave now.
Why are you rejecting me?
Because you're my best friend's son. It's immoral.
There's nothing immoral about it. The most moral thing is to follow your heart.
Karl,
What?
you need to leave.
Sophie. Good morning, Sophie. Sophie, wait.
Let me be clear. Last night was a mistake. I had just broken up, I had needs, and you happened to be there. That's it. If you want to keep staying at my house, act like nothing happened last night.
Well, I have a practice meet with the team tonight, so I'll be back late.
Yes, Linda. Hi. I need you to arrange for a male escort to come over to my house tonight. Oh, wait. I want someone younger. Preferably around 20 years old.
Hello. So, shall we?
Yes. yes. Come on in.
Karl, they canceled the meet today.
What?
Bro, come on. Practice is over today. Let's go get a drink.
Oh, thanks. I'm going home.
Bro, last time we drunk was 2 days ago. Karl.
I don't care.
Enough. Let's end this here. I'll still pay you for the full time. I need to be alone.
Whatever, it's your money.
Just see yourself out.
Well, who are you? What, are you one of her booked boys? Looks like she's got a type. What? Yeah. Older women love paying for stuff like this. She's just an old cougar chasing after young guys.
Watch your goddamn mouth when you talk about her. Wait, did you sleep with her?
No, I didn't. She threw me out before we did anything.
Get lost.
You psycho?
Sophie? Who was that guy just now? Sophie!
What does it matter to you? Karl, stop meddling in my life. I have to work tomorrow, and I need to rest.
I'm sorry, Sophie. I was just worried about you.
Miss Bishop, yesterday Michael Adams invested in another new project after you said you wanted to revoke his management authority.
What? Oh, Selena. You know better than to visit me at my office. Remember the last time at her place? She almost caught you.
That dumb bitch would never suspect me.
You know, I actually tried to call her and to explain everything, and you know that she had the nerve to get mad at me. What an ungrateful bitch.
Michael, are you in there?